You better get out of there. Psst. Come on. He normally plays a trick on me. As soon as I open the door, he'll run for it. There he goes. And he'll come right back up, acting like he wants to come back in. And he jumps around again. You want in? Come on. Come on. You want in? Alright. This is the game we play. And he thinks he wants in. So I'll open the door. And there he goes. You coming? Come on. Come on. Let's come in. Come on. Alright. Here it comes. You want in? You want in? Here he goes. Come on. Come on, it's cold out. Come on, Clifford. Come on. Come. Alright. Yep, there he goes. You can play this all day long. Want in? Would you want in? Well, come on. You're a nut. You want in? Come on. Do you want in? Go inside? Come on, Clifford, come. Alright. Is this the time he's going to want in? We'll see. You want in? Oh, come on. You want in? Huh? You want inside? Hmm? Come on. Clifford. Psst. Clifford. Are you ready? No. You ready to come in? You're a nut. Do you want in? Do you want in, huh? Do you want in? Is now the time? You want in? You come inside now? No, not ready? Come on. Come on, Cliff. Come on. You coming? You coming? I'm gonna play. Huh? You want inside? Want inside? Come on. Oh, there you go. Don't know what he wants.